Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I divide Fascicularia bicolor. It's a wonderful tropical look, evergreen plant. It's a member of the Bromeliad family and it looks ripe for dividing. Got some new shooting areas just over the back here and up front and off to this side as well. Let's get it over to the Grow Tropical greenhouse and see what's going on with the roots. So there's a few ingredients you'll need. Number one, the most important, is your Fascicularia bicolor. Number two is gloves. I'm actually going to divide mine by hand rather than using anything else, but a pair of secateurs would probably also not go amiss. Let's see what's going on here. So I'm going to take away some of the what looks like clay around its roots. What we're looking to do is spread it apart like so, close to the base as possible, and give it a rip. Really easy. It's going to be done with most grasses. It's got a lovely one there. It's got some roots on it. Perfect. And it literally is a case of getting your potting medium, and planting up your Fascicularia bicolor, ready to produce many more for next year and the coming years. That is easy enough. So that's one done already, and that was just a tiny amount. You've got to make sure it's got some kind of roots. What I like to do is kind of push into the roots as I put it off. Some roots there as well. Great stuff. Another pot. This is proving to be really easy at this time of year. They've got some good growth points on them. I'll put some of this clay back in the pot as well. Yeah, so Fascicularia bicolor, a member of the Bromeliad family. They're really not too fussy about their soil. They can grow on anything, from even just a palm tree growing out the side of its trunk. So, a very versatile plant for your tropical look garden. Excellent. One more there. This one, I didn't actually manage to get any root material, but I'll probably have a little bit of an experiment. Just over there I've got something where I'm just putting cuttings. Let's plonk that in and see if anything happens. So, back to these, and I have got a fair amount. I've got 2 large ones or 3 large ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these smaller ones, all have roots on them. And I've got this one as well. So I hope that was useful, and these new plants will grow very quickly. Bromeliads, they only flower once in their lifetime, and it's usually after several years. And the good thing about that, though, once they've flowered, is they produce pups off the base. So much like bananas, musabuju, they do the same thing. But yeah, super easy to divide and will look super great in your tropical inspired garden. Do keep following. This is the first of many propagation and division videos I'll do this year. Have a great day.